Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. My name is Joy. In today's video we are going to be making carrot leave-in conditioner. Carrots condition hair and improves its texture, making it shinier, smoother and softer to touch. Carrots are gentle and healing. They restore moisture to hair, promote hair growth. Carrots also add body to fine or thin hair. I already washed and chopped up my carrots, so I'm going to add the chopped carrots into a blender, and into that I'm going to be adding 400 ml of water. Now blend until really smooth. After blending, I'm going to pour this over a strainer. I like to just pour it over the strainer without pressing it down to get the excess juice, because I don't want any particles of carrots in my carrot juice. Here's the amount of carrot juice we got. Now I'm going to measure out 160 grams of carrot juice. Pour that into my container, and into that I'm going to be adding 10 grams of honey. Honey has emollient and humectant properties that add moisture to the hair follicles. It naturally smooths the hair shaft and restores shine and luster to frizzy, dry or dull hair. Stir it together, and that will be it for our water phase. Moving on to the fat phase, here we have 12 grams of BTMS 25. BTMS is what binds the water and oil phases together to make it stable in a way that they will not separate. BTMS is also what makes this a conditioner, as it has conditioning properties. It also functions as the thickener in this product. Next we have 8 grams of mango butter. Mango butter is also good for hair growth. It makes the hair softer. It also adds shine and luster to hair. Next we are going to be adding 10 grams of almond oil. Almond oil contains biotin, which promotes hair growth. It also softens and conditions hair. And that's it for our oil phase, guys, keeping it simple and basic. Now we're going to cover the beakers with aluminum foil just so they don't evaporate, especially for the water phase. Now transfer to a double boiler. We are going to heat this to around 70 degrees Celsius. At that point, the butters and waxes must have completely melted. Now we are going to gradually pour the oil into the water phase while stirring vigorously. You can see it turns cloudy immediately. This is my best part of making emulsions like this carrot leave-in conditioner. I like what happens immediately that water and fat phase mixes together. Now take it out from heat and whisk for a little bit, and then we are going to go in with immersion blender. Now stick that in and blend until everything homogenizes and combines well together. Even if I know the mixture has homogenized, I like to blend it until I feel a little thickness. Look at that, guys. It has thickened up nicely here. I'm going to let this cool down some more, and then I'll come back in.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't want to waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to waste what's left.
Now time for the cool down phase. I added 2 grams of the preservative. I'm using Joga 221, and into that I added 1 gram of vitamin E. Pour that into the leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going in with some essential oils. Here I'm adding some drops of peppermint oil just to give it a nice smell. Now mix everything together properly. This carrot leave-in was one of my homemade leave-in conditioners. It really absorbed well into my hair, and with this carrot leave-in conditioner I could actually moisturize my hair without spritzing it with water first. It's extra hydrating. Look at that. This can really absorb into your hair, making it so moisturized and hydrated. Once you lock that moisture in with like a butter or oil or pomade, you can guarantee your hair will stay moisturized for a longer period. testing for the pH, guys. The pH is at 5. It is great for me, so I don't have to adjust it or anything. Now I'm going to transfer the product into a clean, dry, sterilized jar. I just love how colorful this carrot leave-in conditioner is. It looks so much like a colored store-bought leave-in conditioner. Look at that, so beautiful. This is extra moisturizing, guys. It will hydrate your hair. With this leave-in conditioner, you don't even have to spritz your hair first. Like if you are in between wash days and you just want to quickly moisturize your hair, you can just add this leave-in conditioner to your dry hair and it will hydrate it so well. And you can then seal that moisture in with whatever you want. If you have watched up to this point, please like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to people that may be interested in content like this. Also, hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel if you have not done that already. Thank you and remain blessed. On to the application, guys. I'm spritzing Ivy's hair with some water-based spray, and then I'll go in with the carrot leave-in conditioner. The lighting in this part is not doing justice to the color of the conditioner, but then you guys have already seen how it actually looks, so that's not a problem. Work that into her hair. And then I'm going to pair this with carrot pomade. Of course, I also have the video of this carrot pomade on my channel, so you can check that out as well. I'll leave the link in the description box. So I worked that in, making sure to coat her ends with the carrot pomade, guys. Very important. And then I went in with a white tooth comb to detangle her hair. Now I'm going ahead to secure that section of hair with a hair tie, and I'm going to braid it down. I wasn't in the mood for a fancy protective hairstyle on that day, so I just sectioned her hair off in 4 parts. So I'm just doing 1 braid on each section of hair. Just simple kiddie hairstyle.
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Ivy's hair is thick. Just one section of her hair is some people's whole head of hair, to be honest. So I just popped in some colorful hair balls to, just spice the basic hairstyle up a little bit.
We haven't played. No, I don't want.
Once we are done, she just rushed off to her bike. She has been eyeing it as we are doing the protective hairstyle. And that's it for today's video, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comment in the comment section below. Feel free to ask any question if you have any. Love you all, and bye-bye.